Hi, we're at the Magical Cavern. I'm here with my main man Paul with his lovely jacket, and he's got something to say.
Mám vzducholoď plná úhořů.
You know what? I had that same problem with mine. What's that about? Like, it's full of uhoju. Is that right?
Eels.
Eel, anguillas.
Anguilla.
Angolnakal.
So it's pointless.
Yeah, so somebody needs to sort these things out, get all the al and angolnakal out and get the hovercraft moving. So, okay, we're going to go in the cavern and check out all the interesting artwork. Thanks a lot, Paul. I'm going to go in now.
Great.
Let's say goodbye.
If I will catch here someone from interesting country with interesting language, I will tell you, and he will tell you the sentence in the language.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Sometimes there are people from really strange countries, like from Papua New Guinea or this.
Right, yeah.
Tonga.
Tonga?
Tonga.
Tonga.
Island.
Yeah.
Pacific.
Yeah, Tonga.
I
Okay.
think it would be very interesting for you to have all those sentences in this.
It's difficult trying to learn them all though and keep them in your brain, you know.
Tonga.
Tonga. Paul, I'm gonna go and check the art out.
Okay, great.
Dequam. Oh, titties. Oh, I can have a drink now. Let's try some of this. Drinky. Whoa, yeah, that is alcoholic, yeah, nice. Angolnakal. Uhojev, or however you say it in Czech. Uhoju. Toilet. Uhoju. Angolnakal. Anguillas. Oh, the Angullas, the Uhojev. How do you say it?
Yeah, uhoji.
Uhoji. Right, I'm going to check out upstairs.
Uhojovice.
Uhojovice?
Yes.
What does it mean?
It's a village named after...
Eels.
Yes.
Uhojovice.
Yes, it's like an eel town.
Oh, the eel town.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll have to find out where that is.
And,
Uhojovice.
and it's also like
Not move.
Anguilla.
Yeah.
It's an island in Caribbean.
Anguilla.
Yes.
Oh, the eels island.
Yes.
Uhojovice.
Yes, and the Anguilla, they have also the eels on the flag.
Oh, brilliant.
Heraldic symbol.
Uhojovice. What a nice eccentric guy. Titties? Oh, weird. Wow. Hello, my friend. Well, this was the Magical Cavern. I like this place. I really like that Paul guy downstairs as well. He's my kind of guy. So, this was the Magical Cavern in Petrinska Sadi. Definitely worth a visit if you're in Prague. I would definitely recommend it. €3, 70 crowns, and as much sangria as you can drink. What more could you ask for? Awesome. Right, I think we're going to go up Petrin Hill next to go up the tower. So, ciao for now.